Okay, I know I've pushed this off a little bit long and all that. GoGo Loco on your models. GoGo Loco is the fun thing where you can mess around with your model and all that. We don't have it on our model. We have our meshes and the bones, but no GoGo Loco. So I imported the pack since it didn't want to get added through my package area. You can see it's not there. And I did it as a simple add-on. I want to go and add it to my model, which would be to go and find our VRCFury opponent area for GoGo Loco all. We just drag that into our area, and we kind of just get that. We get an AMV version, which is a community-built one. There are other versions where we can have Beyond, where we have VRCFury Beyond, but I'll showcase this one first, the AMV version of VRCFury GoGo Loco. We let it load. Here, we can go to Tools, Gesture Manager, and in here, we have an option called GoGo Loco. With this, we get the basic versions of GoGo Loco. We can do our dances. So waves. We can points. We can just die on the spots. Or we can just dance. But I know for those few people just going, oh, let's turn on Fizzbones and see how much this works. I didn't adjust it properly, but he's spinning. Just knock back. Boom. That little bit of ragdoll kind of magic. That's very bent. Let's go and look at one of the other versions of GoGo Loco, which I'm going to be focusing on are the Beyond ones. So I'm going to use the GoGo Loco Beyond. I'm going to delete this other one. I'm going to just drag in the Beyond one. Go into playtest. Let it load. Go here. Tools. Gesture Manager. Here. Up here. We have another thing called Beyond is our fun little few things of flight, dash, and a fun few things. We have stations on this model, so people can actually come and sit down on our model. We have the basic few things like we had before. T-pose spin, we just T-pose, knock back, all the fun stuff. This is the one what I use on majority of my models. So, under terms, it's just a drag and drop on our models. Just make sure it's in our model area here. Hopefully, that helps you guys add GoGo Loco to your models. And I'll catch everybody again very soon. Bye-bye.